Hello everyone, welcome back to my world of wellness. Today is day 3 of our wellness week and we are making this healthiest ice cream ever. Yes, it's creamy, delicious makhana ice cream made with roasted makhana, milk, cashews, dates, saffron and little honey. And guess what? No white sugar, no chemicals, very nourishing to your body and soul. But before we get to the recipe, let's talk about something really important, our mental health and how talking to our friends can actually make us healthier and happier. Have you ever laughed so hard with your friends that you felt lighter afterward? That's not just fun, that's your brain releasing feel good hormones like endorphins and oxytocin. Even a small conversation, walking with your friend, listening to them can make you feel calm, safe, and happy. Just a few days ago, I went for a walk with some close friends to a little lake near my house. It's hidden in a forest, so quiet and so peaceful. We didn't plan anything fancy. We just laughed, walked, chatted, and enjoyed nature. And honestly, it felt like therapy. And we also did the forest bathing. What is forest bathing? It's basically a Japanese term. It means just being with nature, hearing birds, feeling the wind, smelling the trees, and letting all the natural beauty heal your mind and body. Studies shows that spending time in nature can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, improve focus, and even strengthen your immune system. So do try to go out once in a while with your friends and you see the difference in your health. At my World of Wellness, we recently did a beautiful group meditation and the energy in the room was incredible. We all sat together, closed our eyes, and just breathed in silence. Our coach Lakshmi, she hosted this meet and she was incredible. The meditation was so calming. Group meditation creates a sense of connection and stillness, something we all need in our busy lives, guys. It strengthens your emotional connection to others, creates a ripple effect of calm and mindfulness. It boosts collective energy and motivation to stay consistent. I hope you'll try this meditation with your friends. We do meet once a month. So here I'm roasting some makhana for the ice cream. I took 2 cups of makhana or fox nuts, and at the same time I'm boiling 1.5 cups of milk. Just keep stirring it gently. Once warm and steaming, add roasted makhana, cashews, dates, and a little bit of saffron. Turn off the heat, cover, and let the mixture soak for 15 minutes. This helps everything soften and blend easily. After 15 minutes, blend the mixture until smooth and creamy. You can add milk powder, it's optional, and honey to the blended mixture. And makhana is packed with protein, calcium, and antioxidants. It's super healthy, guys. It's a healthy ice cream. You would want your kid to eat this ice cream. Cashews add creaminess and good fats. Dates is again very natural sweetener with fiber and iron. Saffron enhances the flavor and it's good for hormonal balance. Honey is a natural sweetener. It's also gut friendly. And milk powder gives little richness without added cream. So try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you like it. So nourish your body with good food, your mind with quiet moments, and your heart with laughter and connection. If this video inspires you, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll come up with more holistic wellness recipes. So before we wrap up, I want to share a little secret ingredient that's perfect for summer, which is called sabja seeds, also known as basil seeds. These tiny black seeds may look simple, but they are superfood, guys. They are very helpful for your health. It creates a cooling effect for the body. It's a hydration booster. When soaked in water, they swell up and form a jelly-like coating that helps your body retain water and stay hydrated for longer, rich in fiber. So I'll see you tomorrow for day 4 of Wellness Week. Until then, stay grounded, stay joyful, and stay well. See ya.